Hey guys, Terrence here. Welcome back to my video. I'm gonna show you something that you never seen before. So, guys, I'm gonna see this. It's gonna be my first. Gonna be a magic video. So look. The first step you have to do is get a straw, rub it with the. You have to open it with the rub it hard, and then okay, watch this. Look at this. It's sticky. See? Sticky. Okay. Yes, look at this. Look at this. Nothing's in the straw, and it's doing that. Look. Nothing's in the straw. Nothing's. Look at this. Look at that. Did you see that? Did you see that? If you want to do real magic, I'm going to show you with the headphones. So again, you need to get a straw. Take the tips off. Take the tip off. So, first, just rub it in the structures thing. Now let me show you some real magic. Let me show you some real magic. Look, it's sticking. Look at static electricity. That's static electricity. Look, static electricity. Want to see it up close? Want to see it up close? It is static electricity. It's falling off. What's this? Just watch this. See? So watch this. Now hold it like this. I'm telling you, static electricity. So guys, so guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.